Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video I'm going to show you how to switch 5G off or on the Honor Magic7 Pro. This method should work with most modern Honor smartphones if they've come out around about the time of the Honor Magic7 Pro or later. The method is quite simple. First of all, we need to go into our settings. I'm going to pull down from the notification shade on the right. So just to do that again, if you go on the left, you'll get your notifications. On the right, you'll pull down your quick settings. At the top, you'll have a cog for settings. When you're in settings, at the top, in the top section, you have mobile network. Select that. And then in mobile network, go to mobile data. And you'll have your settings for preferred network mode. This is where we're going to switch 5G off. So at the moment, by default, it goes to 5G, 4G, 3G and 2G automatically switching. If we go down one, the one without 5G, that switches that off and your SIM card will only connect to 4G, 3G and 2G networks. Likewise, if you want to drop down all the way to 3G and 2G, you can do so. Just bear in mind that in many places, such as the UK, 3G networks are currently being turned off. Now, likewise, if you do want to make sure that you have your 5G turned on, you can do that by pulling down your notifications shade, tap that cog. Once you've tapped the cog, go to mobile network, mobile data, go down to preferred network mode, tap on that, and tap on the top option with 5G. So that was a quick tutorial on how to switch 5G off or on the Honor Magic7 Pro. Now, if you made it this far into this video and you still didn't get it, if you think there's something missing in this quick tutorial, please do leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and even do some travel content from time to time. But for now, again, thank you for watching and I'll speak to you soon.